In this video, we are going to sketch a simple figure of a man together. As we talked about in previous video, we sketch with the whole two-part method. To see more training, subscribe our channel and tell us in the comment what training you would like to learn. To learn more about this method, you can watch the previous videos. In this way, the first thing that we do is to convert the model into simple forms. Of course, over time by learning this method, you can do this step mentally. We start from the model's head. The upper part of the head has a circular shape. So we draw a circle and draw the chain part with diagonal lines. You can find the photo of the model in the community section and practice with me. After that, we go to draw the neck. First, we draw the middle shape of the neck and add the side part to it. We continue from top to bottom. As we talk about in the hands and leg figure videos, in the simplification process, we draw all the joints as circles. We draw the part of the shoulder in an oval shape due to defining the muscle area. This exercise will help you to have a better understanding of the anatomy of the human body and to be able to easily analyze and simplify more complex models. In the next step, to define the general shape of the upper body, we define the breast with two ovals and add the sides to the upper body. Of course, the model's muscularity has a great impact on the length of analyze. Subscribe to watch our next tutorial and tap the bell so you can see the videos immediately and send me your exercises. Tell us in the comment what training you would like. We draw the joint of the elbow and the range of the arms. Now it's the turn of the wrist and forearm. In the next step, we determine the area of the pelvis, where the legs are attached to the torso. We simplify the palm and fingers. Specifying the range in this way helps us to have a better understanding of the proportions, and we can easily draw them on a paper. After specifying the knee joint, we specify the shape of the thighs, and for a better analyze, we divide the leg into two parts to identify the muscles correctly and remember their shape. Finally, we go to the ankle and we simplify it as much as we can. Now let's take a look at the simplified form. Let's go to the sketch. After drawing this exercise, you can send me a photo of your exercise via Instagram. The link is in the caption, so that I can analyze and check it for free and give you feedback. In order to have an easier and faster sketch, we can use guidelines. To begin with, these lines help to learn better proportion. We draw a straight line from each part of the body where the organ has been established. Finally, we have a set of parallel lines that we can use for sketching. And we start to draw all lines we implemented on the model. We start from the head, the circle above the head and the diagonal line that completes the shape of the face. We add the ears to the face with two ovals. Now it's the turn of the upper body. I try to use guideline to draw each organ. At the same time that I draw the upper body, I also draw the hands so I have a perfect sketch. After adding the pelvis, we go to the thigh, knees and legs. And finally, we draw the ankle. Now that the general form of the figure is determined, using the technique of linear value and drawing borderline give dimension to the sketch. Subscribe to watch our next tutorial and tap the bell so you can see the videos immediately and send me your exercises. Tell us in the comment what training you would like.